If you're or your business is a big user of Teams, what happens when you make a team is it creates the shared drive in the background or the shared SharePoint area where you can all access these files together. So because I'm a member of this team, it appears in my access section here. If for any reason yours doesn't appear, and look, we can pin them, so that's always going to be there. If yours doesn't appear here, if you click on more places, you'll find this shows you all of your different teams and therefore shared Teams drives. You can see I'm in quite a few. So when you've got one, using this to access all the files is absolutely fine, and it takes away the need for all the sharing permissions and things that I'm going to show you in the next video. Because the way it works is, if you're a member of this team, you can access and edit everything in this section here. So all of these files and folders I have access to, so I can edit, I can create, and if lots of people from the same team open a file at the same time, that's fine. They can all edit it and they just have different color cursors because they're all cloud-based files. So by using the shared team drives for file storage and collaboration, it takes the need for any settings away because it's all done in the background. If there was somebody you wanted to add to the team, you do that in Teams. So you just click add member, and when you add them, they would automatically get access to the drive and therefore be able to collaborate on all the files. So that's great when you're working in Teams, but the next video will show you how you might want to share individual files or folders or whatever with people, or you might have a file in this team you want to share with an individual from another team, but you only want to share one file and not all of the files.